What's up, y'all? This is going to be a real short video. I just wanted to say something. I noticed something about my PS5s. I actually got two here. One for me to keep and one for me to resell so I can cushion the cost of the one I'm keeping. Obviously, I'm keeping that one. I'm about to show you why. Now, for most of you, you'd have probably gotten both in the mail and saw that. Like, oh no, I'm just going to go ahead and get that one to somebody. But nah, there's a reason I'm keeping this one. So I bought this one from Gamestop as a bundle, and I bought this one directly from Sony. I got them like a week and a half apart. So I noticed yesterday when I brought this one, I took this one out of the box, I brought it upstairs, and I put them together just to be neat. I noticed a difference. I actually noticed it as soon as I pulled this one out. When I pulled it out, I saw this silver sticker here, right? Look at that. And it's a legit PlayStation sticker, and I was like, I don't think that was on the GameStop one. So I came up here, I put them side by side, and sure enough, there's no sticker. So me and my wife were laughing about it because I used to do shoe reviews. Geez, it's 2021, like 8 years ago. I did like 6, 7, 8 years ago. I started 8 years ago doing shoe reviews. And a lot of people would always, I started doing it because people would always say that the shoes were fake if there was some type of variance, some weird variation. So I just laughed because many people would say that one of these PlayStations was fake. And another thing, if you notice, this one's a darker blue. This is a darker blue than this one, and this one came directly from Sony. Another thing, I'm not going to open them because then I wouldn't be able to sell it as brand new. But listen to this. One of these is more hollow than the other. And if you want to really get specific, I don't know if it's going to show, but if we look at the one that came from Sony, this little cardboard cut right here is not as clean as the one that came from GameStop. Now I know it's probably hard to see all that detail, but it's there. And from here, I think you could probably really see the difference. I know the camera is trying to adjust, but you can see the difference in the blue here. So me personally, I know a lot of people's having problems with their PS5s. I'm going to go ahead and keep this one that came from Sony because maybe they've done some type of update to fix those issues. This might be some old GameStop stock. That's so funny, GameStop stock or inventory from like when they first released. I'm going to go ahead and let that one go. The buyer be all right. They got a warranty, so... Anyway, I just wanted to go over those differences in these two PS5s here. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Do you think one is fake? Which one is it? Because funny thing, all the ones I've seen on eBay, I haven't seen one with that sticker. So that's something. Anyway, thanks for watching. See y'all next video. Look, real quick, one more thing. I'm about to ship this one off because somebody bought it. But when I was bringing them downstairs, I thought, I wonder if they weigh the same because that one feels slightly heavier. And look, 14, 11.9. So it's a whole ounce difference. Probably that sticker, huh? Might be a thick sticker and this sticker weighs an ounce.